Are you ready to simplify your online business with the most trusted digital wallet? The PayPal Gateway Payment is the ultimate solution for every e-commerce store. Stay with us to learn the exact setup process, unique features, and critical points you must remember. Are you ready to simplify your online business with the most trusted digital wallet? The PayPal Gateway Payment is the ultimate solution for every e-commerce store. Stay with us to learn the exact setup process, unique features, and critical points you must remember. Setting up your secure PayPal payment gateway for your website is straightforward. The first step is to establish a verified PayPal business account. Navigate to the PayPal Developer Portal. Within the dashboard, create a new REST API application to generate your unique API credentials, the essential client ID, and secret key. This pair is crucial for linking your gateway with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, or WooCommerce. Next, access your platform's payment configuration settings. Select PayPal as your processor and input the generated API keys. Finally, customize important preferences such as your default currency, how you manage transaction fees, and the successful return URLs for seamless payment processing. Always execute a live test transaction to guarantee everything is working flawlessly. Here are the top 5 game-changing benefits of using the industry-leading PayPal payment gateway. 1. Unmatched global reach. Instantly accept customer payments from over 200 countries and 25 currencies, unlocking massive international sales potential and dramatically simplifying cross-border e-commerce. 2. Superior fraud protection. Leverage PayPal's sophisticated fraud protection models and the robust seller protection policy, which minimizes your risk exposure for every single online transaction. 3. Simplified integration. Forget complex traditional bank setups. PayPal provides easy, rapid integration with nearly all major e-commerce platforms without the need for extensive coding expertise. 4. Express checkout efficiency. Offer your customers the popular one-click express checkout experience. This feature significantly reduces checkout friction and minimizes cart abandonment, directly boosting your conversion rate. 5. Comprehensive revenue management. Gain access to detailed real-time transaction reporting and analytics. This allows you to track sales performance, manage inventory efficiently, and accurately forecast payment trends. To maximize your revenue, remember 2 key factors. First, prominently display the official PayPal logo on your site to enhance customer trust and credibility. Second, meticulously review the variable transaction fees, which can change based on sales volume and international location. Understanding the fee structure is vital for accurately calculating your net profits. Implement the secure and powerful PayPal Gateway Payment today to scale your e-commerce growth. Subscribe now for more exclusive digital payment strategies.